What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make custom pieces on chess.com. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in chess.com. After typing, you will be welcome to this homepage of chess.com. Then here on the left side, you will see the option of login and sign up. So if you are new to chess.com, just simply click on sign up and sign up with your email and password. But if you already have a chess.com account, simply click on login and you will be automatically logged into the chess.com. Now, after signing or logging in, on the left side at the bottom, you can see the settings. Over to the settings menu and then click on all settings. After coming into the settings, at the top, you can see the option of core and pieces. After that, on the right side, click on pieces. Then you can change the pieces as per your wish and your requirements. Now, for example, I want this one. I will just choose it and click on save. After clicking on save, you can see that my piece has been customized. And when you scroll a bit down, you can even change the piece animations. Like you want the medium, which is the default one, you want fast, natural, or arcade. You can choose anyone from these. And then this is how you can make your custom PCs on chess.com. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.